And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find draft posts on Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to find your draft post on Facebook is pretty much easy. All you gotta do is simply tap open your Facebook app. So once you open your Facebook app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now to find your draft post, all you gotta do is simply tap on the notification icon, which is the bell icon right over there. Simply tap on it and there you can find you have a draft saved. Simply tap on that particular post and there you can see unpublished draft. Now you can simply tap on the three dots icon and open the draft or discard it. So this is your draft. You can now simply post it or simply tap on discard draft and delete it. However, if you don't discard it, it will automatically expire in 3 days. So by doing this, you can simply find your draft post on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.